Musumbe Dr. William Ruto yase Silikali nikwongela silingi bilioni 1.3 kwisila mutalatala mweu ilovia ila siukwatikana nthini wa mwaka 20 wa Silikali wangilile miongole na inya kutonyethya Silikali Sya Kaunti ukwata utonyi mbeange wa maendeeo. Musumbe Dr. William Ruto yase kati ilovia bilioni 5 syilika mutalatalani wa kunenga aimi mbolea thooa munini kukilya usyaithya wale uvalo kwa asya ena muikiyo ilovia ini siukwatikana Sya Kaunti kwiyaka na kuthukuma mwene nthi undu vailite. Joseph.
President Dr. William Ruto munthi voma nene ya serikali niwekia sahi ya kutwika mwya wa kuongela kwa ilovia sya Silikali Sya Kaunti kanela itawo the County Government Additional Allocation Bill 2023 na kilungu cha bilioni 1.3 itatu mbeange. Mwya ula yuwitha huitonyethya kuongela kwa ilovia ila itumao serikali ni sya mituko nikenda kwikithia uthukumi na maendeeo kwa mwene nthi.
Let me first take this opportunity to congratulate both houses of parliament for executing their legislative duty in a manner that has given us in the executive, both at the national and at the county level, the opportunity now to expend these 46 billion Kenya shillings that will go into various interventions in government. First, let me also congratulate the Council of Governors for working with us and the National Assembly and the Senate to make it possible for us to agree on moving these bills forward.
Ainene na kwikia sahi mwya voma nene ya serikali President Dr. William Ruto niwekithisia serikali sya mituko kana serikali yake ni yumiti kuungama na ukwati ya serikali nikenda kwikithia uthukumi ni waila.
Now we have resources that will support our counties. Close to 29 billion shillings will be made available by this piece of legislation that has now become law. It will support our counties to discharge their mandate, which is very clear in our constitution. And because the counties are carrying out mandate assigned to them by the constitution, and it is our responsibility to mobilize resources and support the counties. I must say that we continuously are working towards making sure that whenever we have resources, it is shared between the two levels of government equitably so that every level of government can discharge their responsibilities. The week before, we paid about 31 billion shillings to our counties. We are again planning in the next week or two to pay another substantial amount of money.
Ingi President wakathia vane Silikali Sya Kaunti nundu kwitha siekite viti na kwikithia utumia utwika wo na ukwati wo ona kwitha methito maikwata ilovia itembeani ukuma serikali ni nene na kwikithia ni matwe sya mauthukumi ma serikali isu vatena mathina ona amwe vala wenda magavana makwata ne kwoko yuna kuongelanga uthukumi usu itina kwitha yuma yongelangwa ilovia.
And I want to congratulate governors who are continuously increasing their own source of revenue funds, because that way we make counties discharge their responsibilities without too much intervention and too many hurdles. We know there has been an outstanding matter of some counties that did not have appropriate headquarters because they were small and they couldn't raise resources from their shareable revenue to be able to do the county headquarters. The government has now made it possible for us to complete that project because the 450 million that we have now allocated to the 5 counties, that money is sufficient to complete the county headquarters in the 5 counties. There will be resources also to support our fertilizer subsidy program that is going to assist our farmers across the country.
Nthini wombano wa kwikia saini wivikitoni munene wa Minister Musalia Mudavadi, munene wa magavana Anne Waiguru, Speaker wa mbunge nene ya nthi Moses Wetangula, munyanya wa Senate Amason Kingi, ndongo yala ingi mbunge nene Kimani Ichung'wah, ondumona munyanya wa Senate Aaron Echruot, kati wa ndongo ingi nene.
The Speaker of the Senate
Joseph Kitheka ngilivotia vilingi wa mauvo Mutongoi TV.